How to change language in Marvel Future Fight. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can change your language setting in Marvel Future Fight game. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open the Marvel Future Fight game on your device, and once you're inside this main lobby screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu on your screen. Go to the language option from the top right and tap on it. Now, from the available language options, choose the language you want to change to, tap on it and click on OK. This will restart the game, and upon restarting, the language change will take effect. As you can see, there is already a different language displayed on the screen. You can always get back to the language option whenever you want by repeating the step and choose a different language of your preference whenever you need the change. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.